Do you struggle with sinus problems, allergic rhinitis, non-allergic rhinitis, hay fever, all sorts of things? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing this sinus rinse by Neil Med and how to use it, because when I was told to use it by a doctor, I couldn't really find any videos that showed you how to use it properly. And so with my experience, I'm not a doctor or anything, so do ask a doctor for advice, but I'm just sharing my experiences and how to do it. So let's get into how to do it. So I'm going to try this sinus rinse, which is made by the company Neil Med, and it's a little bottle which is squishy and it's got a hole in the top. So you use the sachets of salt that come in here, and you use one sachet, and you need some water as well. So either distilled water or good quality bottled water, or water that you've boiled before, but it needs to be lukewarm. And for me, this is key, that it's lukewarm. It's not hot at all, but it's not cold, because that feels horrible. So you take this sachet, open it up, and you've got to fill it up to where it says water fill level there. So you can sanitize the bottle in the microwave, and they give you instructions on how to do that. And then you take your salt, just rip the top off, it comes off quite easily, and then carefully pour that in here. So this is really high grade salt. You can't just use any salt, because the idea of this bottle is that the salt is going to go up into the back of your nose and out the other side. It's not very glamorous, but because of that, you need something that's really high quality medical grade salt. So I'm going to shake it up. So I put my finger on the top and really get that salt mixed in there. And then this is the unglamorous bit. So just try and relax. When you're first using this, I found that it can freak me out a little bit. I think that I'm going to ingest a whole load of salt. Well, you won't, but just try and relax. Try and breathe normally as you can. And when you push on here, I'll just show you, it's going to come out. It's going to go in one nasal passage and drip out the other side. And just try not to tense up. Just relax and it will be fine. You're not going to ingest it at all. And you need a paper towel at hand, because the idea is that it will drip out of your nose. So if you watch, I'm going to put this up my left side of my nose first, and you'll see it drip down. Okay, so I just relax and breathe, and I want about half of the amount for my first nostril. So I'm just going to squeeze it and guess, because you can't see what you're doing. So lean over a sink. You don't need to be like completely over it, just lean over and breathe. And it's coming out the other nostril. And then you can just very, very gently blow your nose. Don't blow it really hard, just really, really gently. Okay, so I'm going to do the other nostril now. So I'm breathing. And then very gently blowing my nose. So it's a very weird feeling when you haven't done it before, but you'll be fine. And you will feel that it might drip down a little bit into the back of your throat. That's fine, just swallow it. And you will feel for about maybe an hour, if you put your head forward, randomly you'll get salt water coming out of your nose and maybe some other gunky stuff. So keep some tissues at hand so that you're aware that that is going to happen. But that hopefully helps you how to use the NeilMed sinus rinse. They also do a teapot type of thing, which is made of plastic, and it's called the Neti Pot. That's the same type of idea. Both of these, it will get right into the back of your nose to wash away any allergens. Salt is a fantastic thing for healing and for antibacterial, antifungal, anti all horrible things. So I hope that helps. So what do you think? I hope it's been helpful, and I hope it's calmed any fears that you might have about it, because doing it for the first time is a bit scary, maybe a strong word, but a bit nerve-wracking. So you'll be fine, and you for an hour or so you will smell, I think, a lovely gentle cleansing sort of smell of the salt. So that's just something to be aware of as well. My little dog is getting fed up with these videos. So anyway, thanks for being with me, and take care, and hope your sinuses feel a lot better. Do watch the playlist, because there's something that helped me even more than this. So I'll share this just here. Take care. Bye.